Sometimes it is possible to specify the aggregate within a diamond polished concrete floor. Larger concrete plants may have a choice of aggregate, although this is typically a gravel or a limestone. If you did want to introduce a bespoke aggregate, that by all means is possible by seeding it into the surface, but it's not possible to remove the base aggregate. We can darken or slightly lighten the background colour of the concrete, but one of the important things to remember with a diamond polished concrete floor is that it's supposed to be local to its surroundings. It has a natural feel to it, so ultimately the conditions of the day will determine the final colour of the floor. No, the aggregate will be slightly random. There'll be areas where it's more sparse and then some where it's much more dense. This is just part of the natural process of laying a hand-laid floor. So following the installation of the floor is left uncovered for it to cure slightly before the grinding commences. Typically we'll leave a floor for around a week to 10 days before the surface is ground back and polished. Once this is completed, the floor is then covered and left to cure whilst the rest of your building work carries on. We then ultimately will return to do a final clean and seal once all the building work has been complete, which is ideally one of the last trades to happen on site.